guys, welcome back to Borla Chef's Kitchen, and my name is Colleen. Today we're making something really refreshing for a warm summer evening, and that's lemonade with kiwis and mint. It is a very refreshing drink, as you can even imagine just by its name. Very easy to make. Guarantee you it'll take you less time to make than you're hearing me talk about it. And lastly, one of the important things I do want to share with you why we've chosen kiwi here, besides its flavor, it's because it's high in antioxidants and in serotonin levels, which can be great for quality sleep and the length of your sleep. So do check it out, and hope you like the recipe.
For our kiwi lemonade, we've got 6 main ingredients. Of course, kiwi, the star ingredient, lemon, pink salt, honey, ginger, and some mint leaves. We're first just going to smash up that ginger and now take chopped up kiwis and add it into a container where you're able to blend. We're going to use an immersion blender. We're going to put in the smashed ginger, mint leaves, lemon juice, honey, and pink salt. And now we're going to blend it and then add water, or you can even add any type of soda that you have. Preferably it's better to have flavorless soda just because we're putting so much flavor into this. But if you have lemon flavored soda, that's fine as well. And that is it. Here is your refreshing drink for a summer evening, and their serotonin will really help you go to bed if you're having trouble sleeping.